Stephen, great to see you.
Great to see you, Joe.
Hey, thanks for taking the time. Hey, Google very recently announced that I think there's roughly 2,000 partners now in the Google Apps Reseller Program. Any key trends you're seeing there in terms of what they're up to?
So we see a lot of MSPs adopting Google Apps. They're building it into their recurring services and solutions portfolio for their clients. A lot of them are seeing it as a door opener and as a cornerstone for a whole range of cloud-based offerings that they have for their clients. A lot of them are focused not simply on, if you will, the reselling of SaaS licenses, but very much on the solutions and services value-add capability that cloud solutions can bring to their clients. For example, some of them are using the Google Docs features to create content and document management solutions for clients, or using Google Sites to build out a partner extranet for a client. And I think the third thing to point out is that we see a lot of traditional firms now adopting Google Apps as part of our partner and reseller program. It's become very much more a part of the mainstream, and a lot of folks are branching into this and expanding their overall portfolio of more traditional IT offerings to also embrace cloud offerings. And clearly, Google Apps is one of the key choices for them in that space.
Okay. First, for the viewers who are not familiar with the Google Apps Marketplace, what is it? And then part two is, are VARs and MSPs participating in that marketplace?
Sure. So the Google Apps Marketplace is a place where we allow purchasers of Google Apps to also purchase additional applications in and around Google Apps, and the ability to seamlessly integrate those into their administrative experience of Google Apps. And we see many of our VARs and MSPs and services partners using the Google Apps Marketplace in two ways. Number one, they themselves are also acting as developers and building their own apps. Sherpas, for example, has built something called Sherpa Tools, which assists in the administration when you migrate over to Google Apps, and they use those tools with their clients during the course of an extended implementation. Sheepdog, for example, has built a G-Tracks application that integrates with Google Calendar and allows you to track your professional services hours for a professional services firm. And so they're using it as a way to extend the distribution of those apps that they have built themselves. But perhaps more importantly, we see the context where services partners are able to find in the Google Apps Marketplace other applications they can build in and around Google Apps to serve their clients. So Umzuzu, as an example, has used the Apps Marketplace to bring in Expensify, TripIt, and Tungle wrapped together with Google Apps for their clients. So they've used the Apps Marketplace to find complementary solutions and bundle those into Google Apps.
Well, Stephen, thanks as usual for your thoughts. I appreciate your time.
Certainly. Thanks, Joe.